couple years ago, we talked about the top 10 trends. Last year, we talked about autonomous, nano, Internet of Things, digital trust, and the Internet of Me. And this year, we're going to talk about the ABCs, which are the things that are actually driving those super categories into society today. In A, there's artificial intelligence.
Everything is going extremely well.
In B, there's blockchain and what we call blur.
We actually have faces now and bodies, and we even look like ourselves.
And in C, there's the commoditization and consumption of data. So the B of the megatrends, well, we're going to call this blockchain and blur. So blockchain was a megatrend last year, and we wrapped that all up into actually the megatrend of digital trust. But it is the underlying blocks that is allowing digital trust to happen. However, what we're seeing in blockchain is that it's actually leading the advent of what we're now calling blur, which is the mixing of the digital world and the physical world. But blockchain itself allows for massive amounts of data or data points to be verified without human intervention. This is allowing cross-platform interaction between, say, gaming data and transaction data, or social data, or medical data, right? All coming from different types of blockchains to interact so that you and I can have an experience in the physical world. But with blockchain, being able to verify all kinds of different data from all kinds of different platforms, and massive amounts of it, without human intervention, actually allows the other parts of blur to interact with each other and make sure that the data or the information that's being presented or transacted upon is real. Now, an obvious one would be augmented reality. But we see augmented reality today more of an experience where we're in a gaming environment and we're experiencing it in 3D. But where it's commercializing to right now is I'm going into a grocery store in AR and I'm actually looking at the physical products that I want to be buying. Now I can augment that with some other digital experiences, couponing for something simple, or maybe information about the farm from where that apple was grown, and I can be making decisions and transactions and completely immersing myself in a new reality, which is this reality of blur. So look for blur to continue to be an integral part of these megatrends.